Hello everyone. So this short tutorial is about how to create dictionaries in Python. So dictionaries are very popular data structure that stores key and value pair, right? So unlike array where we store just the values, here it's a pair of a key and a value. And so let's look the basic functions of how to create a dictionary and how to add items to the dictionary, how to loop through the dictionary, and how to delete the dictionary. So I've created a template. I'm following W3 Schools. I've created a basic template from W3 Schools. So I'll go through it line by line. So the way you create a dictionary is, so the first is here, it's a key. So brand, model, year, exists. These are the keys, right? And then the values to these keys are the values on the right hand side. Okay, this is a dictionary. Now if you want to know what type of data structure this is, you use the keyword type in order to know the type of the data structure. So the type is a dictionary. Okay, dictionary is different from arrays or list. Okay, it's a different data structure. Now, if you want to access all the keys of the dictionary, you use the keyword called keys. So I'm creating a variable called x here, and this dict is the name of the dictionary, and then I'm saying dot keys. And what it gives me is, when I say print x, or yeah, print x, because in x is the variable that is capturing all the keys, the output is dict keys, brand, model, year, and exist. Okay. Now, in the next line, if you want to access a value of a particular key, right? So like I said, on the left hand side, these are my keys, brand, model, year, exist, and these are the values on the right hand side. Now, if you want to get the value of a particular key, what you have to use is the dictionary name, this dict, and in the brackets, you will give the key name, that is brand. Okay, make sure, because we are concatenated the strings and the you and a dict data type, you will have to convert it into a string, right? You cannot concatenate different data types. They all have to be same if you are printing. So I'm just simply using str, right, to change my dict to string so that it can be concatenated with the string value here, the string text here. Now, if you want to print the total length of your dictionary, so how many items do I have in my dictionary? I have 4 items here, right? So four values and then 4 keys. So it's 4 items here. So I use the len keyword in order to print the number of items in the dictionary. Now, if you want to add a new pair, now here, let me add one more, okay, just to show. So this is my dictionary name, this dict, and I'm going to create here a new key, right? So we have brand, model, year, exist, and after this I'm adding color. So let me also add here type, and then I'm going to give here the value as right. This is just to show how it works. So if I run it, just make sure I have, yeah. So if you see here, in dict keys, brand, model, year, exist, color, as well as the type, right? So another key is added. So it's fairly simple to add a new pair. You simply give the new key and then the value to the keys. Now, if you want to update the existing values, so for example, here the value for my The value for my year is 2020. Let's change it to, let's say, 2021. So you simply say the dictionary name, the district, then your key, and then the value that you want to update. And when I run, it is going to say year is 2021. Okay. So in this line of code, all I'm simply doing is printing all the values. So if you want to print the keys, you say dictionary name dot keys. If you want to print the values, you say dictionary name dot values. Okay. Now, if I want to see if a particular dictionary exists, if a particular key exists in the dictionary, I can simply say if the key name, and if it is in is the keyword as well, in this dict, right? So let's try to do it once more here. So if my key is color, so I want to check whether color exists in the dictionary. So if color in this dict, right, then print yes, color key exists in the dictionary. Okay. So I'm just checking if color is there in the dictionary. So something is wrong. Yeah, I'm not closing the bracket here. Actually, I'm not having the double quotes here. So now it should be okay. Yes, color exists in the dictionary. Now what happens if, let's say, the color is already there, right? And I add it again. So what happens if I, let's say, my dictionary name, and I'm saying color, right, equals to yellow. So what basically will happen here? It is going to overwrite red, right? So this is also one way of updating, as well as it will overwrite the the last color, the last value. Okay, so right, it will overwrite the last value. Now there has to be a unique combination. Okay, so now if I say value equals to my dictionary name dot values and print value, it's gonna print, it is still showing me red here, but after this it has to show me yellow because I'm overwriting it, right? What did I do wrong here? Yeah, this, the brackets. Okay, so it's yellow, right? Um, so if you want to loop through your dictionary, so simply for loop for variable name in this dict, print x. So this is going to then print, it is going to show you all the keys, right? If I want to um, if I want to see the values, all I have to say is, now these are all the keys. Okay, so let's see if I do print this dict x equals to right. So this has now given me all the values here. So okay, so I can so it looks nicer, I can simply say these are keys, and of course because I'm concatenating the dict type and str, I always have to use str keyword. These are values. Okay, so this is how you loop inside your dictionary, right? Yes, just to be sure it is all clear. Sorry about that. So now it is. So it is just simply printing, giving me all the keys. Brand, Ford, model are my keys, right? And then it is giving me all the values. And the values are year, sorry, again, brand is the key, Ford is the value, model is the key, this Mustang is the value, year is the key, 2021 is the value, exist is the key, true is the value, color is the key, and yellow is the value, type is the key, and second hand is the value, right? Because this is how I'm printing. Now, if I want to, let's say, delete a particular key, when you delete a key, it will also delete the value associated with it. So if I say del, the syntax is this: del, dictionary name, and then the key name. And when I say OK, and of course nothing will happen because I'm not printing. So let's then again get the values. So I'm gonna say here val equals to this dict dot values and print val, and this should, or let's say keys because we are deleting keys. So if you see here, now the model key is deleted. So model is gone from the key, right? So fairly simple, straightforward tutorial where we covered how to create a dictionary, how to add keys and values to a dictionary, how to update them, how to use a for loop to loop through your keys and values, right? And then finally how to delete a particular key. Just now, just for 1 second, let's just look here that our key is gone, key called model, and hopefully, of course, the value associated with it is also gone. So as soon as you delete the key, the value will be gone. So let's just look, double check, print val2. Dictionaries are very important data structure, and when we will connect the Python language with our database, they are really faster way of storing your data. So if you see, yes. Okay, so thank you for watching.